Yo, so I got a truck driver friend today that I saw while I was out on the road that apparently he saw one of my YouTube videos, and as we was talking, we was conversating, bugging out back and forth, he was asking me about YouTube and how it worked, and you know, he said, he was like, I always heard you can make money on YouTube. Do you make any money? And I started trying to explain it to him, what I know about, what I do understand anyway. And I got to thinking, instead of trying to explain it to him, I actually recorded a video a couple of weeks ago. It's October 1st today. But I recorded a video on YouTube and monetization and how ad revenue and that stuff works. About 2-3 weeks ago in September. I wasn't gonna upload it, but when he started asking me about it, I was like, all right, I'll send you the video. But then I got to thinking, I might as well just upload it to YouTube. That way he could see it, anybody else that may be interested in that can see it as well. So that's what's about to come up. I recorded a video for him, or excuse me, for you, on how YouTube monetization works, how you make YouTube ad revenue. I explained it. I'm trying to keep it as simple as I can because that's all I can do. I only understand the basics. So that's what's about to come up. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the video. This is YouTube ad revenue for dummies, all right? One way to make money on YouTube, and I'm not even gonna say it's the best way. It's just one way, all right? I was having a conversation earlier today with my brother, and we was talking about YouTube and Facebook and Google and, you know, making videos and how simple it is to make money on the internet with these platforms, and talking to him about ad revenue. And based on the things that we was talking about, I know that there's a lot of people out there that still don't quite understand how simple it is to make a few dollars right on YouTube, you know, and it's not even a big deal. So I'm gonna record this quick video explaining to you how I went about making a few ad dollars. I'm gonna show you in my back office how my ad revenue works, what videos I've made ad revenue from. I haven't made a whole bunch of dollars in ad revenue, so I don't want you to think when I open this up that you're gonna see that I've made a whole lot of money. It's not like that. I still don't fully understand all of this stuff myself, but I do know it was super simple. I made the video, it got views, and I got ad money in my account. It just shows up. So I want to show you how to do that. It's really easy to do, okay? I'm going to click my image right here. If my screen looks funny, it's because I'm recording this on my phone, all right? But I'm going to click my channel. And I'm going to go to customize channel here. And I'm going to go to my video manager. And this is the screen in your back YouTube office. If you don't know, you should know, but if you don't know, this is where you edit all your videos and all of that good stuff. But on the left here, I'm gonna go to analytics. Okay? And it's gonna load up all of my channel analytics, which is all of my stats, how many views I got and all of that good stuff, how my channel's doing and all that good stuff. As you can see here, these are stats for the last 28 days. I'm gonna change this to lifetime. Actually, I wanna leave it at 28 days for a second. Go back to 28 days. Last 28 days. Okay. Last 28 days. It's not at last 28 days yet. Let me refresh this real quick. So last 28 days now. And my estimated revenue is $74.64. Okay, that, again, not a whole lot of money, but I'm gonna get into that in a little bit, because the key to this thing is, it's interesting, man. Because if you can make, whatever you did to make $1, if you could 10x that, then you can make $10. And if you can 100x that, you can make 1,000. And it's the same thing here. Whatever's done to create this $74, 10x it, and $740 can be created. And when you're talking about making videos, you know what I mean? It's easy. It's easy to 10x your efforts. So I'm gonna get to that in 1 second, okay? But I'm gonna switch this to from last 28 days to lifetime. I've had my YouTube channel since 2013, okay? Now, I haven't made a whole lot of money in all of that time since 2013. It's 2018 right now, okay? My estimated revenue over all that time is $386, all right? But I want to show you how this breaks down real quick, because again, if this can be done, then it can be 10x'd, all right? First thing I want to point out to you here, I'm clicking my estimated ad revenue because I want to break this down. I want to show you. First thing is, my channel has not been monetized that whole time that I've had a YouTube channel, since 2013. As you can see right here by these little blips, my channel didn't get monetized until this got blue. So from 2013 until the end of 2017, my channel wasn't monetized. Okay, excuse me, until the end of 2016, my channel wasn't monetized. Right at the end of 2016, they turned my monetization on. I'm not sure what had to be done at that point for monetization to be able to be enabled on your YouTube account, but you couldn't just sign up for a YouTube account and enable monetization. Some criteria had to be met. Well, I didn't need it until the end of 2016. My channel, I enabled monetization, and my videos started showing ads. And it stayed monetized until the beginning, as you can see here in the blue, where the blue stops after 2018. The beginning of 2018, February, YouTube had a change in their monetization policies. I don't know what they changed it from, but what they changed it to, you can see it got bigger right here. I don't know what they changed it from, but what they changed it to was you had to get 1,000 subscribers in order to have monetization enabled, and you had to have 4,000 watch time hours within the last 12 months. So from basically the end of 2016 to the beginning of 2018, my channel was monetized, and then they turned off that monetization. And then it didn't get turned back on here until recently, August, and that's where you see the spike here in monetization. It got turned back on once I got my 1,000 subscribers, okay? So my channel hasn't been monetized the whole time that I've had it. It's been monetized now for a little bit over a year total since I've had it. Now, that's one thing I want to point out. And I'm gonna show you how to monetize a channel in just one second. I'm gonna show you how to turn your monetization on if you don't know how to do it, okay? But I wanna show you here what's really, really interesting, because here's a breakdown at the bottom right here of the videos that I have made that have made some money, that have made some revenue, okay? So I don't have many, okay? This first video, let me decline this call real quick. Sorry about that. I don't want to stop this video. This is live, and stuff happens on live video, right? But this first video, should you go to driving school, my truck driving review, that video has made me, that's the video that's made me the most money so far. It's made me, my estimated ad revenue is $184. That's how much I've made off of that video. Now I'm gonna click on that video real quick, and I want to see when I made that video, how long that video's been posted, been public. All right, so that video I posted, it looks like, there it is. That video was posted August 12th, 2016. So it's September 2018 now. That video was posted about 2 years ago, okay? I recorded that video one time 2 years ago, and that video has made me $184 since I recorded it that one time 2 years ago. Now I'm gonna flip this lifetime thing back to the last 28 days. So you can see how much this one video that I made 2 years ago has made me in the last 28 days. So in the last 28 days, this video made me $22. Now again, that's not a lot of money. I know that. I don't want to make that point. Again, I feel like whatever, if you can make $20 on the internet, you can make $200 on the internet. In principle, it's all the same thing. It's just a matter of scaling up what you did. The point here is, this video has been making me money since I made it. It makes me money every single month, and I made it one time. It's income coming in passively every single month, unless YouTube changes their monetization policies, or unless they change their ad policies. It's money coming in every single month from something that I created one time, okay? I'm gonna go back here to the screen where I can show you the next video. All right, back here. Oh, yeah, we go, okay. Gotta wait for it to load up. It's so interesting to me, as you can tell. I get kind of passionate about this when I start talking about it. Let's go back to revenue. I'm off of revenue. I'm on my channel overview again. Next video is my video, 15 tips to help you pass your CDL road test. Now this video has made me $100. Oh, excuse me, my estimated ad revenue is $95.73. Now I want to click on this video and see how long this video. I want to see how long this video has been posted. and my phone, my screen is stuck right now. Just bear with me 1 second while I get this straight. The screen is stuck. Let me see if I can flip this around. Let me see if I can do something with this real quick. All right, my screen is stuck now, I believe. No, it don't look like it is. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to 15 tips to help you pass your CDL test. Sorry about that, man. You know how things act up when you're trying to record something. Okay, this video was posted October 12th, 2017. It hasn't been up quite a year yet, okay? And this is how much it's made in its lifetime. Now I'm gonna go back to the last 28 days. Now what's interesting about this video is this video, when my YouTube channel got demonetized in February, I didn't have this video up, okay? I didn't have this video, actually I did have this video up. Yes, I created a video October 12, 2017. So this video was monetized from October to February, and then not monetized from February to August, and then monetized from August to right now, which is September. And in that time, it's made $100. It's made $42 in the last 28 days, okay? And I made the video one time. To me, again, that's what's so interesting about this. I made the video one time, and again, as long as the video is playing and YouTube hadn't changed its ad policies or anything, that video makes me money every time as it gets viewed, okay? Now, I got another video, shifting 10 speed. Shifting 10 speed without the clutch. This video has made me $75.31 so far. This video, my phone's got stuck again, so just give me a second. As you can see, I don't have many videos that have made me money. The next one, this is how you fail your CDL learner's permit. It's only made about $8 or $9. The next one, new trucker tips, is only made $2. I have about 50 videos on my channel. I only have about 8 or 9 that's actually making me money. But the thing is once you're getting views on a video and the video is monetized, then again, it's throwing you off money every single month. So, and again, I want to show you real quick, as soon as my phone gets unstuck here, I apologize about this, but I don't want to have to re-record this all over again. I'm on the road and I got to get going here. All right, that's good, it's not stuck. I want to show you how you enable monetization, okay? Now I'm gonna go to, where do I need to go? Let's go to channel. I believe I need to go to channel. Okay. Yep. Click channel, and as you can see, it says status and features, monetization, and all of that good stuff. And this is all of your statuses right here, okay? And you see it says everything enabled. It says uploading enabled, okay? That has to be enabled for you to be able to upload stuff. Now, it's probably enabled from day one when you turn your channel on, but monetization won't be. Live streaming won't be, okay? Longer videos won't be. All this stuff won't get enabled until you reach certain milestones with your YouTube channel. And it's really all around subscribers and view time and watch time and all of that good stuff. But once you get to the point that this monetization thing can be enabled, when you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours of YouTube, watch hours in the last 12 months, you'll click monetization, your monetization settings, and it'll have a button right here. Now mine isn't showing right now, but it'll have a little button. It'll say enable monetization. You click the button, you select what kind of ads you want to show up, and that's it. That's it. It gives you a choice of listing of different ads, and that's it. Once you do that, it's on, and YouTube or Google handles the monetization of your videos. What ads show up on your video, they handle all of that stuff. All you do is create enough content to get a following, to get subscribers, to get the watch time hours, and once you do that, you'll see that your monetization can be enabled. When it does that, you just click the on button, and then after that, just create content, and you'll be getting paid per view. You'll be getting paid for those ads showing up on your videos and people clicking on them. And when you look in your YouTube channel, your YouTube account, your ad revenue account, you'll see money in there just from essentially stuff that you did a long time ago. It's crazy how simple this is. And again, this is not the best way to make money on YouTube. This is just one way to make money on YouTube. But for the novice, for the person that doesn't have any idea what they're doing, you can just stick a phone in your face, stick a camera in your face, start recording, and you know, record something that people want to see, which could be anything. Doesn't matter what you want to share with a person, because there's people on YouTube and Google searching for all kinds of content. You see it yourself, all kinds of silly content, slam videos, and all kinds of content has millions of different views on it. And if you can just create the content, create the videos, then you can enable your ad revenue, and you can start making, you know, again, the only mistake that I made on my YouTube channel is only making the amount of videos that I made over the last few months. You know, I haven't made many videos this year. I probably haven't made 5 or 6 videos only this year, 2018. So I haven't put a whole lot of time into my YouTube channel. But you know, I'm right now looking at this. It's like, man, I need to 10x my videos. And what I'm thinking about doing is creating another channel and doing this all over again, seeing how fast I can get 1,000 subscribers and the necessary watch time hours in order to be able to enable monetization. I'm thinking about doing that again fresh. So I'll tell you what, as a matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do. If you hearing me say this and you watching this video and that interests you, you're like, man, I would like to know how that's done, and I would like to be able to see that real time and see the inside of how he's doing that. Because I'm gonna show you, I'll show you how I'm doing it as well on this channel, but I'll build it out on another channel. If you're interested in seeing that happen and following that, then just, you know, like this video or leave me a comment or something. Just like the video, and I'll go by the interaction, and I'll be able to tell if you're interested in seeing how that process is done, of you know, what videos to make, how often to post, what you should be posting, you know, titling your video, tagging your video, and you know, getting views on your video, and getting to the necessary requirements to be able to monetize your content, so you can start making a few dollars on YouTube videos, sharing information that you may know a little bit about, that you want to teach other people about. It's so much fun to be able to have this as a creative outlet. It's fun to have it as a creative outlet by itself, but just to be able to make a few dollars from it as well in this simple of a fashion, it's really, you know, it's crazy to me. So again, if you wanna see how that works, and you definitely are interested in that, like the video, and I'll make sure you stay updated. I'll make sure you stay updated so you can, you know, follow the new channel and you can see exactly how I'm doing that. This is Maurice Bay. I'm a regular guy, man. I'm a truck driver. I'm out here on the road all the time. That's why I'm recording this on my phone. I'm not at home all the time. I'm not in front of my computer all the time. But you don't have to put a whole lot of time into this to be able to see some return. You just got to be able to share something with people that you know. That's all you got to be able to do. And I don't care what it is that you know. It could be something as simple as how to tie a bow tie. It could be something as simple as, you know, it don't matter what it is. It's people searching all kinds of content on Google and YouTube. And if you're putting out content on that subject, people will follow you, people will subscribe to you. And if you're giving out value, good content, showing them how to do it, then you'll get your views, you'll get your watch time, you'll get your requirements, and you'll be able to monetize your channel very shortly. I'm gonna show you how to do that. If you're interested in seeing it, again, either leave me a message or make sure you like this video. Thanks for watching this whole video. I appreciate you. My name is Maurice Bay.